So in this video, you'll learn how to change the PIN on your Huawei Band 10. So if you want to customize it to something different, this is what you need to do. Start by entering in your PIN to unlock your watch, and then navigate to settings. Once you're in settings, you want to look for the option PIN and select it, and then tap on the option change PIN. From here, enter in your current PIN to confirm your identity. And then once you've entered in your current PIN, you'll now need to enter in the new PIN that you're going to be using. So enter in the 6-digit code, and then enter it in again to confirm the one you'd entered in previously. And once you've done that, it will tell you PIN set, and it means that you've entered in or you've changed your PIN on your Huawei Band 10. So now whenever you want to unlock your Huawei Band 10, you'll be using your newly created PIN. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.